Ryan Shimabukuro. I'm a boat owner and avid recreational wakeboarder. And if you're as meticulous about keeping your boat clean like I am, then Scooter's products are just for you. I want to talk to you today about their 3 products that are going to help keeping your boat look like it came just off the showroom floor. Okay. First is their boat armor, which is a quick wax detailer and hard water spot remover. Second is their afterlake, which is used to remove water spots after a fun day out on the water with your friends and family. Third is the interior shine, which you're going to use to keep your vinyl and all the interior looking shiny and brand new. Okay, so as you can see, I've let the gel coat on my boat get pretty dirty. There's actually a lot of hard water spots that have accumulated over a few days, so I can show you just how the boat armor works. Now again, it's a quick wax detailer, but it's also a hard water spot remover. Okay? So what I'm gonna do is I like to squeeze the bottle nice and easy so that it goes on very smooth, it doesn't spray very far, and let it sit for about 30 seconds or so. Again, you don't need to use too much product, and it has a nice scent to it. And you're going to use 2 different microfibers. One to wipe it in, okay, completely. The second one is going to be used to wipe off the very fine residue. That's been about 30 seconds. You just want to use nice, gentle, circular strokes. You can already see the hard water spots are removing. And a little goes a long way with Scooter's products, so you don't go through a lot of product very quickly. You're going to see that there's a little bit of boat armor left, and you use the second clean rag to wipe it clean and to bring out the shine. So as you can see, the boat armor removed all the hard water spots that was accumulated on the gel coat, and it also brought out that original deep shine that I had when I brought the boat out of storage in the springtime. Next, I want to talk to you about the afterlake product. The afterlake is used as a water spot remover, hard water spot remover as well, after a fun day out on the lake, or if your boat is sitting in a driveway and a rainstorm comes through and it sits for a couple of days, you can use the afterlake as a quick hard water spot remover. So again, I'm going to use another section that you can see the hard water spots. Give it a nice easy spray so it doesn't waste any of the afterlake. Again, it has a nice coconut scent to it, really refreshing. And as it dries, you'll see that shine come back and all the water spot removed. For the interior shine, you can use it for 2 different types of processes and applications. One can just be a quick cleaner, spray on the vinyl, wipe it after a quick day on the lake, or you can use it as a deep cleaner with a light soft scrub brush to really remove that dirt, the suntan lotion, sweat, anything that can collect on your vinyl. For a quick application, you're just going to spray onto the vinyl directly, nice and easy. Again, if you spray nice and smooth, soft, it's going to go a long way. And let it sit in for a few seconds. And you just wipe clean with a damp, clean microfiber. And I like to use microfibers because they're easy to wring out and use over and over again. One of the final benefits of Scooters is that they cost less than the other brands, so you save money without sacrificing quality. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching my product review today, and if you choose Scooters to baby your boat, you won't be disappointed.